If you have been looking for the perfect full-time residence with acreage, or just an outstanding part-time recreational property with incredible lodging, then look no further. The OneSixty Ranch meets and exceeds all expectations. Whether you're a fishing, boating enthusiast or a trophy deer hunter, this place has you covered. As you drive through and tour this oasis, you'll quickly find that every acre was set up by design for the outdoor enthusiast. The food plots and feeder locations were set up in a way to draw in deer from all around and hold them on the property. Protein is fed at multiple locations and available year-round, and it sure shows, as evidenced by the 158-inch buck taken by Bo last fall. The house has original hardwood floors throughout, a timeless feel of days long ago, but with all the modern conveniences. The shed is covered on 3 sides and is open all across the front. The north end is fully enclosed behind locked door and provided concrete floor, perfect for your tools and compressor. This property really is a rare gem and will not be on the market long. With its close proximity to Dallas-Fort Worth and Oklahoma City, long travel times are a thing of the past. With close access to the largest recreational fishing lake in the entire state of Oklahoma, trophy bucks, long-bearded gobblers, starry nights, and campfire tales, the OneSixty has you covered. Whether it's you and a buddy partnering up or buying for the family experience, be the hero to all who drive through its gate.